The Amazon Echo 4th generation is a fantastic sound box with superior sound quality, bass, and loudness over any other Echo device. Having a built-in smart hub in it, it can control Zigbee and sidewalk devices such as Philips Hue lights. Without further ado, let's get started. The 4th generation Echo's bowling ball looks are certainly fun, measuring 5.2 inches tall and 5.7 inches wide. And it is available in black, blue, or white. The light ring has been moved from the top of the speaker to the base, providing a less direct glow that's still recognizable by lighting up blue when you speak your chosen wake word for Alexa. The top panel holds buttons for Alexa, volume up, volume down, and mic mute. The back is home to the connector for the power adapter and a 3.5mm audio output. There are many more features of the Echo 4th generation, but we have outlined some of its highlights here, like a built-in smart home hub, compatibility with Zigbee and sidewalk devices, different audio streaming sites, and so on. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. The Amazon Echo 4th Gen has 3.0 inches neodymium woofer and two 0.8 inches tweeters. With its woofers and tweeters, it provides 360-degree bassy and loud sound. There is also a built-in thermometer in it which can provide temperature records precisely as well. In a nutshell, considering sound quality, bass quality, volume control, Alexa integration, voice recognition, and tech support, we rate it 9.0 out of 10. After analyzing longtime users' feedback and comments posted on different e-commerces, we found that consumers are delighted with its good audio quality, low price, smart hub facilities, and its Alexa smart home skills. On the other hand, the user is dissatisfied with its large power brick and no clock display. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.